What's up to my friends on YouTube? Today I'm going to be showing you how to view your archive emails on Gmail. Now I am on mobile Gmail app, but if you are on the desktop gmail.com website, this works in this very similar process. So as you can see, I am just on my home page right now, and you can just see all my emails that are coming into my inbox. Just for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and archive that top email from eBay just so I could show you that this works, because Gmail doesn't make it super clear and kind of tucks it away in a different inbox with all your other mail. So real quickly, I just archived this email message from eBay. And what you're going to do is hit the 3 line in the upper left hand corner to take you to this screen here. And then if you look about 10 options down on this screen, there is a headline titled All Mail. And you're going to click on that All Mail headline right there. And then you can see that my message from eBay that I just archived is there, as well as another message that I archived before, just to test to make sure that this was still working. But this is just going to be all of your archive message, and they're all in with all your other emails that aren't archived. So it's kind of hard if you archive for a certain reason and you just want to search through and see all of those instead of seeing all your mail and see everything, including the things that you haven't archived. But at least you could still see your archive mail and search for it if you really know what you're looking for. That's pretty much all I got for you today, though, as far as it comes to viewing your archive mail on Gmail. If you did have any questions, though, or were confused at all, be sure to leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. Otherwise, if you found this helpful today, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.